Welcome to Cuisinia Cooking, the channel for easy cooking tutorials. Please subscribe and ring the bell to get notified of new cuisines. Today, we'll be cooking juicy beef steak, also known as BISTEK. Perfect for lunch and for dinner. Let's start! These are the ingredients that we'll be needing: beef, lemon, garlic, soy sauce, black pepper, salt, and onion. And these are the measurements and preparations: 1 knob minced garlic, half thinly sliced onion, half a kilogram of thinly sliced beef, and 3/4 of lemon. Now, let's start with the marination. Let's add 1/4 cup of soy sauce, squeeze the lemon, let's add the garlic, and lastly, we add the sliced onion. We'll mix it together and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, let's prepare the pan with 1½ teaspoon of oil, spread the oil in the pan, and let's brown the meat on medium to high heat for 3 to 5 minutes on each side. After a while, drippings from the meat will seep out, which we will use a spoon to pour into a separate bowl, which we will keep aside for later. And do the same with the rest of the beef. So here we have the beef juice we got from the pan and the reserved marinade. Next, we'll be using pressure cooker to saute the garlic and onion from the marinade without the sauce. Now, let's add the half-cooked beef, Mix it together. We'll add the beef juice, the reserved marinade, and depending on how much soup you prefer, add 1 to 2 cups of water. Keeping in mind, the pressure cooker will use up some water to cook. And finally, we add half a teaspoon of salt and the same of black pepper. After mixing, close and lock the pressure cooker and cook it for 30 to 45 minutes on medium to high heat. If you happen to not have a pressure cooker, you may use a regular pan and keep it on medium to high heat for 1 hour. Now let's pour it. Make sure it's presentable. And our juicy beef steak is done. Enjoy! If you liked my video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified of my new uploads. My channel is new and would benefit greatly from your support. Thank you!